Welcome to the channel, friends. Today we're tackling a quick and easy Pinterest update that many of you have been asking about. How to remove your last name from your Pinterest profile on your PC. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for inspiration and discovery, and sometimes you might want to streamline your personal branding, or simply prefer to keep things a little more private. So, let's dive right into the simple steps to clean up your profile. First things first. Fire up your computer and open Pinterest.com in your favorite web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you're on your homepage, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu, and from that menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing your Pinterest experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several options related to your account preferences and profile details. Look for the Edit Profile option and click on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll now be looking at a page where you can modify various aspects of your public profile, including your name, username, and other personal information. Here, you'll see the last name bar. Simply remove whatever is written there. Now that you've removed your last name, take a quick glance over the rest of your profile information to make sure everything else is just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied, head to the top or bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This will ensure that your changes are applied and visible to others. And that's it. You've successfully removed your last name from your Pinterest profile on your PC. Easy peasy, right? This simple tweak can help you better control your online presence and maintain the level of privacy you're most comfortable with. Remember, Pinterest allows users to switch between names as they wish, so you can always go back and make changes whenever you like. Feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or other Pinterest topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.